Background sync, what happens when the app sleeps? Scenario. A user initiates a data synchronization process, such as uploading files or syncing their local data with a remote server, and then leaves the application by minimizing it or locking their device's screen. When they return to the app later, they might find that their data has been lost or only partially synchronized, leading to frustration and data inconsistencies. Definition. Background sync testing focuses on evaluating how your application behaves when it is performing data synchronization tasks while running in the background or during various application state changes, like minimizing or the screen being locked. The goal is to ensure data integrity, prevent data loss, and handle interruptions gracefully. Analogy: think of sending an important letter via a courier service. If the courier decides to take a prolonged nap midway through the journey, your message might never reach its destination or be significantly delayed. Similarly, background sync processes in an app need to be reliable and resilient to interruptions. Real data usage. Initiate the upload of a batch of files, for example, 10 photos. While the upload is in progress, minimize the application or lock the device's screen to send the app to the background. Open the application again after a period of time and check whether the file upload has completed successfully, if there are any errors reported, or if data has been lost. Real-time process. 1. Initiate a data synchronization process within the application. 2. Put the application into the background by minimizing it or locking the device. 3. Wait for a defined period, e.g. 1 to 2 minutes, to simulate background activity and potential OS-level interventions. 4. Bring the application back to the foreground and check the application's local database, make API calls to verify server-side data, and examine application logs to determine the status and integrity of the background sync operation. Tips and tricks. Conduct testing with battery saver mode and background data restrictions enabled on the device, as these settings can impact background processes. Simulate scenarios where the operating system might aggressively kill background processes due to low resources. Memory trick, BAS. Background. Testing when the app is not in the foreground. App state, changes like minimize, lock, sync validate, ensuring data integrity. Interview tip. When discussing background sync testing, state: I rigorously test background data synchronization processes to ensure data integrity and prevent loss when users multitask or switch between applications, which is particularly critical for media-heavy and real-time communication apps.